Hello. As you know, we just got through the blizzard of 2009. This is the day after, a quiet, sunny Sunday. As you can see, got about 1.5 feet in my yard. Very quiet, very calm. Here are the little paths for the dogs. The hot tub with about 18 inches. Didn't get to use this last evening. My back needs it today. And more little doggy trails. Now I'm going to go outside, out front. Here's the garage. I had the foresight to put both cars in the garage yesterday. Thank goodness. Snow blower. Didn't do much good. Couldn't keep up with the snow. Now here's where I did try to blow some snow. Fruitless, you can see. Looks like they plowed. Not very much. Now here is the untouched front of the house. This is crazy. Well, looks like Freddy's joining me, trying to escape. And he is going to get to the road and run like crazy. So I must turn this off, retrieve the dog. Wow, beautiful.